Alright everyone, welcome back. Good to see you again. Today we are going to talk about something you actually use all the time without even noticing it. Time words. These are simple words, but they decide the whole meaning of your sentence. For example, if you say I will call you, the listener is confused. When will you call? But if you say I will call you tomorrow, suddenly the sentence becomes clear. So time words help you show when something happens, how often it happens, and sometimes even how long it happens. They make your English complete and easy to understand. Now what exactly are time words? They are words that answer questions like when, how often, or what time. Some very common ones are now, today, tonight, yesterday, tomorrow, early, late, soon, always, usually, sometimes, never, every day, every week. These tiny words help you express your schedule, your habits, your plans, everything you do in daily life. Let me break this down in a simple way. When we talk about right now or today, we use words like now, today, this morning, this afternoon, tonight. You might say I am busy right now, or we have class today, or I am cooking tonight. When we talk about the past, we use words like yesterday, last night, last week, last year, a few minutes ago, earlier. You could say I went to the gym yesterday, or she called me last night, or we met a week ago. For the future, we use tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, soon, later. For example, I will see you tomorrow, or we are traveling next month, or I will call you later. And then we have frequency words, which show how often something happens, like always, usually, sometimes, rarely, never. You might say I always wake up early, or she never drinks coffee. These words help you describe habits and routines. Let me show you how this works in a real conversation. Imagine Arvind and Ramesh talking. Arvind says, "Hey Ramesh, what time are you leaving today?" Ramesh says, "Maybe later, around 5 in the evening." "What about you?" Arvind says, "I am leaving soon. I have a class tonight." Ramesh says, "Class at night." Arvind says, "Yes, every Monday. I always study in the evening." Then Ramesh asks, "What did you do yesterday?" Arvind laughs and says, "I slept the whole day." Ramesh says, "That sounds nice. I worked yesterday morning. Then I played cricket in the afternoon." Arvind asks, "What are you doing tomorrow?" Ramesh says, "I am going to my cousin's place." Arvind says, "You visit them every weekend, right?" Ramesh says, "Not every weekend, maybe once a month." Then Arvind says, "Let's meet next week." And Ramesh says, "Sure, call me early in the morning." Arvind says, "Early? I never wake up early." Ramesh laughs and says, "I know. You always wake up late." Arvind says, "Yes, guilty." You see how naturally all those time words appear in just one simple conversation. Now let's practice together for a moment. I will give you a sentence and you add a time word in your mind or say it out loud. I drink tea blank. You can say in the morning, or every day, or sometimes. Next one. I will go shopping blank. You might say tomorrow, or next week, or later. Another one. I met my friend blank. You can say yesterday, last night, or 2 days ago. One more. I exercise blank. Maybe usually, often, or sometimes. Just say your answers naturally. That is how you build confidence. A quick note about how sentences work. Time words can go at the beginning or at the end. You can say yesterday I visited my friend, or you can say I visited my friend yesterday. You can say tomorrow we will travel, or we will travel tomorrow. Both are correct. Choose whichever feels comfortable for you. English gives you flexibility. So that is all for today. You did really well. Time words seem simple, but they make your English clearer and more expressive. Use them when you talk about your plans, your memories, your routines, your habits, and your daily schedule. The more you practice, the more natural they become. Good job today, and I will see you in the next unit.